Assalamu-alaikum. Hello, my dear viewers. This is me, Muhammad Zuhaib, your English instructor. Welcome back to my channel. So today I brought such an important and such an essential topic, very beneficial topic and very knowledgeable topic that is about what is modal verb and differentiate between modal verb from modal auxiliary verb. A lot of people are facing in this problem and thought about that how we can eradicate this problem. So inshallah, after this video, you will be never face this problem. But you must watch the video till to end. After that, you will be got it. So come to the topic that is about modal verb. What is modal verb? There are 7 modal verbs: can, should, would, could, may, might, must. There are 7 modal verbs. Sorry. So every single modal verb have a different uses. But a lot of people are thought about that. What is the definition of modal verb? There are not have a solid definition, but one of the simple definition is that it change the mood of the sentence. Modal verb change the mood of the sentence. How? For example, if you tell a person that give me give me a pen, so this sentence is not a formal, but instead of this sentence, if you said that, can you bring me a pen? Yeah, or can you give me a pen? So see, like a modal verb change the mood of the sentence, and also sentence have a formal. So modal verb change the mood of the sentence. So there are 7 modal verb, and every single modal verb have a different uses. For example, like modal verb is used for the ability, possibility, for the request, for the formality, etc. I give you the example like can. Can is also used for the ability. Can is used for the formality. Can is used for the request. For example, can is used for the ability. If you play cricket and also you tell a person like I have ability to play cricket, so how you say? For example, so you tell like I can play cricket. I can play cricket. So can is what? Can is show the ability. Like you have the ability to play cricket. And also can is used for the possibility, for the request, so many. And should is used for the suggestion, for the advice, etc. For example, should is used for the suggestion. How? If a person sick, so you tell a person that you should go to the doctor, you should go to the doctor. So you like suggest a person like you should go to the doctor and you check up. So should is used for what? Should is used for the suggestion, for the advice. And there are many like a model of would is used, also used for the request. For example, would is used for the request like would you come to my brother wedding ceremony? So also you request someone. So and also could is also used for the request, for the many stuff. And may is also used for the request. May, might, must. So may might have a little bit different. May is less than might. Like might is little bit stronger than my. For example, if you tell a person that it might raining today, yeah, or it might raining tonight, so this sentence is not a very strong. But if you tell a person that it might raining today, it might raining tonight, so this sentence is stronger. So I hope you people be got it. So this is modal verb. What is modal verb? Modal. There are 7 modal verb. Modal verb show. Modal verb change the mood of the sentence, and modal verb have a different uses. Like modal verb is used for the ability, for the formality, for the request, for the suggestion, for the advice, for the prohibitions, etc. So these are the modal verb. And what is modal auxiliary verb? A lot of people are confused. Like what is modal auxiliary verb? So modal auxiliary verb is same like a helping verb. So many people are ask a different name. Modal auxiliary verb, be verb, helping verb. So there are a lot of name like helping verb, to be verb, modal auxiliary verb. For example, is mr. Also helping verb. A lot of people are know is helping verb, but the second name is modal auxiliary verb. But not be confused like what is modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb is mr, was, were, have, has. These are the modal auxiliary verb. So I I differentiate you like I differentiate the modal verb from modal auxiliary verb. So you will be never face this problem again, inshallah. So modal auxiliary verb, what modal auxiliary verb? A helping verb. Is, am, are, was, were, have, has. So that's all about my topic. First, I explain you modal verb and second modal auxiliary verb. So if you want to more explanation about modal verb and you want to give me more deeply explanation and explanation, so I will be make the another video. So mostly you write in the comment box like you make the another video about modal verb. So I hope you people be got it and you people be learn some new things. So have a great time, have a nice time, and best of luck. See you the next topic.